I told you several times that this moment is really going to be life changing and that this move towards the upside is going to catch a lot of people off guard. Yes, Bitcoin formed a new all-time high at the levels of 81,987 US dollars. Yes, you heard me right. Bitcoin is going to break one all-time high after each other, but I'm going to show you in this video where you could expect a major move in the altcoins. Yes guys, the altcoin season is about to start and we could expect a major break towards the upside. And yes guys, I've been telling you all along that this paradigm shift is really going to change everything, because we can see that gold versus Bitcoin ETF inflows is absolutely being destroyed only in the first year. So this is really going to be fundamental, and we're going to see a major breakout for Bitcoin, and 100,000 US dollars are going to be imminent. Yes guys, we could expect this major move. And remember that I told you that all of these bears shorting the market are going to be destroyed. Yes, we can see that over 90 million worth of Bitcoin short positions have been liquidated in the last 24 hours, and this is exactly what I've been telling you. We could expect a major move towards the upside. So if you want to be profitable during this bull market, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and welcome back guys. Yes, today is a really bullish day. Bitcoin is breaking one all-time high after each other, and if you want to trade all of these moves, because we have been reckoning some major profits, yes, we earned some trades on Solana that we opened in my free signal group. And if you want to join my free signal group, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, where you'll find all the instructions how to join my signal group, because we also opened this trade on Tau. And yes, the price movement came all the way back down to our entry. So if you're watching this video now, this is a great opportunity to get into this trade, because ultimately we could expect this major pump for all of these altcoins. And if we're going to go over to Casper, yes, I opened this Casper position, we took some profits, and I'm scaling back into this trade, and we're reckoning some major profits. And we're also in this trade on AR, because yes, AR is lagging behind, but ultimately if we're going to break out from this major bullish pattern, yes, we can see this inverse head and shoulders, and this breakout towards the upside is really going to reach our price target, the measured move, round about the $20.90. So yes guys, if you want to make these major profits, go down in the video description below, sign up to my free Telegram group, and with my exclusive link to BloFin, you receive a major deposit bonus. If you deposit only 100 US dollars, you're getting a position with 15 US dollars for absolutely free. But if you're going to deposit 500 US dollars, you're going to get $75 for absolutely free. Or even if you deposit $1,000 up to $150. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, because this offer is going to end in exactly 2 days. And yes, we could expect this major move. And if you want to learn how to trade with a leverage, make sure to watch my video, my step-by-step tutorial, where I show you exactly how to trade on BloFin. But let's go over to the charts guys, because this looks extremely bullish. Bitcoin has formed a highest weekly candle all the way at the 81,000 US dollars, close to the 82,000 US dollars. And are we going to get this rejection where all of these bears got liquidated because they thought that the price movement is going to come all the way back down? Yes, this could be a possibility, but once again, this gives you the opportunity to buy even more, because remember, it is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. And if we're going to zoom out on the weekly chart, we can see what we could expect, because the previous consolidation we had exactly here 1 year ago, we broke out exactly at the end of October, the beginning of November, and we saw this major move. Yes, on the weekly chart, we saw that each weekly candle broke towards the upside, and we didn't get any major correction. Just here, where we could see that the price movement got a small consolidation, and then we saw this continuation even higher to a new all-time high. And if we're going to go all the way back exactly 4 years ago, at the same time period where we are at the moment, yes, the start of this major parabolic run towards the upside, this final run for Bitcoin. But guys, keep in mind that this run towards the upside, all the way from November all the way to a swing high, is going to last another 364 days. So you're still extremely early. Yes, we're going to take some profits before we're going to reach an all-time high. We're going to scale out of the market if we're going to see this major pump towards the upside, and that is exactly why you don't want to buy exactly the top. Guys, the time is now to enter the crypto market, especially the altcoins, because we could expect a major pump towards the upside. But before we're going to look at the altcoins, let's go on the even lower time frames on the daily chart of Bitcoin, and yes, you can see that each and every day we're going to form a new all-time high, and this is going to continue. Yes, we could expect the consolidation or even a retracement all the way back down to this previous all-time high, which was exactly at the level at 73,777, because yes, previous resistance will turn into support, and ultimately this is going to be my worst case scenario, that Bitcoin is going to come all the way back down, but I don't think we're going to get a retracement this steep. Maybe we're going to see a consolidation, but overall the price movement of Bitcoin is going to see a major move all the way to the 100,000 US dollars before we're going to see the next major consolidation, in my opinion. So let's go on the even lower time frames on the 4-hour chart to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term, because yes, Bitcoin has just formed a new all-time high. So ultimately guys, we could expect the same scenario, a small consolidation within this range of previous resistance, which will now act as support round about the 80,000 US dollars. And if we're going to break this level, guys, the sky's the limit, because we are in price discovery mode. Yes, we don't have any previous price movement of Bitcoin exactly within the zone. So yes, we have blue skies ahead, and we could expect this major move. And remember, my end of the bull market target for Bitcoin is going to be the 240,000 US dollars, all the way up to the 300,000 US dollars being a possible scenario, guys. And yes, and in this time period, we're going to see a major move for the altcoins. So let's go over to the total 3 market cap. This is the market cap of all cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and also Ethereum. And we can see that yes, we are still lagging behind, because the previous all-time high for the total 3 market cap, all the altcoins, was exactly here at 1.1 trillion US dollars. And at the moment, we can see that the total 3 market cap is exactly at 728 billion. So yes, we could expect this major explosion towards the upside, because if we're going to go over to X, yes, this is a post from Stock Money Lizard, we are still not even close to the peak. If you think that this rally is over, no, we will go much higher. The RSI will guide us to the peak. Yes, the relative strength index, you can see it's exactly here at the bottom. And if we're going to see the relative strength index on the total 3 market cap come all the way back into the zone of the previous highs, we could expect that the top of the cycle is in. But all the way from these levels, the total 3 market cap will see at least a major push towards upside all the way to the 6 trillion US dollar mark. Yes guys, this means that all of these altcoins are going to see a major push, because yes, in this chart we can see previously Bitcoin hit an all-time high 19 days after the election. But this means that all the altcoins will pump again in exactly 10 days, because in the previous cycles we saw that exactly that happen. The altcoin market cap reached a new all-time high at 1.4 trillion, and if we're going to go over, this was exactly here. Yes, we could expect that this is going to be a fast move towards the upside, all the way to a new all-time high for the total 3 market cap, because history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. But this is really going to be important, guys, that you're going to enter the crypto market exactly now, before we're going to see this major push towards the upside, because even coins like Stacks, where I told you to buy exactly here, we are ready to see a major breakout towards the upside, because this looks extremely bullish. And if we're going to look at the price movement all the way from here all the way to the previous swing high, this is going to be a move of 89%. So yes, we could expect this major breakout, not only for Stacks, coins like Solana, Radium, Injective, AR, all of these coins that I've been talking about on this channel. And yes, I'm going to upload a dedicated video about a coin with a major potential. Yes, I'm going to invest into this coin. So if you want to be one step ahead and find out what this coin is before I'm going to upload this video later on, make sure to be in my free Telegram group, where I'm going to post the spot entry. So if you want to be one step ahead, guys, make sure to be subscribed, go down in the video description below and sign up to my Telegram group. And if you want to copy all of my trades and make some major profits, make sure to be in my free Telegram group, because yes, we've been reckoning some major profits, and we've been opening this trade this morning on AR, on Tau. And yes, Solana is getting this major push towards the upside. We're going to reach the next price target of $220, and afterwards I could expect that the next price target is going to be the $250. But if you want to find out what my end of the bull market target is for Solana, you need to make sure to be subscribed and watch all of my previous videos, because I made this prediction on Bitcoin and also Solana, and I mentioned a few coins like Drift, which went up 380% just in 2 weeks. And yes, we took some profits on this major Casper trade, which was up 472%. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go down in the video description below, sign up to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus if you use my exclusive link, and make sure to be for crypto, because this move towards the upside is really going to be life changing, and you're still extremely early because Bitcoin is forming one all-time high after each other, and we could expect that all of these altcoins are going to see a major push towards the upside. So make sure to be for crypto, smash up the like button, and we see each other in the next video.